Welcome to Grizzly Lumen Lab, where we unbox, install, and test anything to do with lights. I got my hands on the new Govee Ceiling Light Ultra. Let's dominate the dark.
Dominate the dark.
I finally got my hands on the Govee Ceiling Light Ultra. I originally had the Pros in the dining room, in the kitchen, in the hallway, but I really wanted to get my hands on this one because of all the features that it has. This thing is 21 inches. The Pros are only 15, and then you got the smaller version, which is 12 inches. This thing is huge. The packaging is super heavy. I couldn't believe it when I picked it up off my doorstep. This thing is gonna rock. I just know it. 616 LEDs. I've seen videos of it at CES. I've seen pictures of it, and this thing is literally just shy of being a TV for your ceiling. It's crazy. So this is the front of the box. Amazing picture of the light. You got the side of the box, and it shows the LED array, and then you got the other side, which basically says, go to the app, download it. That way you get the full features, the full benefits of this light. And let me tell you, there is a ton of features for this light. You got the back of the box, which is just the product information. Let's get it open. Let's see what we got. Holy crap. Look how big this thing is. Jeez, that thing is huge. You got the quick start guide here, matter explanation sheet, your user manual, and the pamphlet telling you to join the Govee Home app. Oh man, this is heavy. Wow. When you install it, this is your plate. Put it into the ceiling, a couple screws, and then I'm assuming they got this as added support, because this thing definitely looks like it needs it. You got your black and white wire, and then you got your hanger here. And then of course, Govee always sending out the extras to make easier install. You got your Wago connectors, screws, anchors, and your wire nuts. Let's get the old one down and get the Ultra installed. All right, and as with any install, make sure you cut the power to the breaker, and then you can start removing your old fixture. So this will kind of double as a install for the Ultra and the Pro, because technically quarter turn on the Pro, pull it down. Got my old Wago connectors in there from the installation, the original installation, and just got the 2 screws to take it out. Look at the size comparison of these two. Ridiculously bigger than the Pro. Wow. All right, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna stick the plate, the mounting plate up, and what Govee wants you to do is you mark it 90 from where it needs to be. So if you have it like this, it'll be off. But you mark it 90 and then you adjust it in the app to get it to face exactly where you want it to go. It only goes 90 degrees each way. You can't do micro adjustments like you can on the Pro. So once you get it up here and you get your holes aligned, then you mark the outer holes. You mark the outer holes so you can put the anchors in for stability. All right, let's drill our holes and get this thing installed. And it's all good to go. This is the most satisfying thing ever to do this. Almost like when you get a brand new TV. Let's fire this bad boy up. All right, flip the breaker back on. And then let's flip the switch. Oh, wow. That is super bright. Oh, it's like staring in the sun. All right, once you get it fired up, go into the Govee Home app. I'm gonna add new device. It's gonna search for it. Found it really quick, might I add. We're just gonna name this ceiling light. We're gonna make sure it's the proper orientation, which, let's see. Yeah, we'll leave it there. It's gonna search for the Wi-Fi. Mine's already saved in there for the password. Hit done. All right, the Wi-Fi is connected. If you have any updates, go ahead and do it. It doesn't take but a minute or so. All right, once your device restarted, then you can go and do all your other features or use all your other features. Go to color. You can do the whole thing. Or you can do the subsection where you can get a little more into the custom settings of this light. Let's change that to my favorite color. Let's do some of these. And then, oops. Take those off. Then let's do the middle. Let's do cyan. So there's many different ways you can customize this light. See, you got your share space. Basically, you just go in there and you can borrow somebody else's scenes that they have already pre-created. You got your DIY section, which is essentially like finger sketch, and then you can add effects to it and make it do pretty much whatever you want. So you got your AI section here with the lighting bot, and then let's just do, let's see, what does this say? Mushroom house in the forest. Let's try it. Why not? And this is actually the lighting bot 2.0, the original one, the one before this. It was actually, in all honesty, not as smart. This one has got a lot better. This update is way better for the lighting bot. It's going to create the scene for you. There it goes. Wow. That's very cool. Let's see. We'll just say motorcycle. Why not? It's going to think for a little bit. It does take a little longer with the lighting bot here to create the animation, but I just realized I have you guys upside down right now. Now, before I get into this last little bit here, I don't know if I'm ever going to see the Mona Lisa in person, but guess what? I get to have that here. I don't know when I'm going to see Starry Night. Amazing, beautiful artwork by Van Gogh. The Pyramids of Egypt. Once in a lifetime opportunity to see something like that, and I have that here in my house. You go to the DIY section, you upload your kids' artwork. Let's position it, see what it does. Okay. Who else makes a ceiling light that does this? Simply elegant, beautiful, vibrant. Hands down the best ceiling light on the market. You will never ever see something else or anybody else who's doing this right here. Govee really did their thing with this one. Let's jump into some music mode.
Drowning deep in the waves of our fight. Every word, every look, it burned my soul. But now I see the truth, I'm in control. Your touch was a drug pulling me in, a toxic spell under my skin. I'm better off alone. No more chains I've overthrown. Your poison's gone, I've come alive. Without you here, you were the storm that silenced my song. I let you in, but it felt so